Hey guys, glad to see you again. My name is Yan Sikorski. Today I want to share with you my top 7 ideas for the next trading session. But first of all, let's see how my previous ideas work out. Let's start with euro dollar. I recommended you short euro dollar if price hold below this consolidation. As you can see, price held below this consolidation on Tuesday, and our entry point was formed. And as you can see, price hit our first target around 1.1250. Another idea in a pound USD, I want to say the same picture like in euro dollar. I've recommended you short this currency pair if price held below 1.2650. As you can see, price held below this level, and price hit our first target around 1.25. Another idea was in Aussie USD. In Aussie USD, I recommended you short Aussie if price held below this level, 0.69. As you can see, price held below this level, but unfortunately not hit my first target. But anyway, this idea still works right now. That's why if you're in a position, just stay in a position. In oil, I recommended you wait reaction for this important level between 38 and 37.50. But honestly, price not formed entry points in oil. That's why I cannot say that this idea is work. mRNA, Moderna company, as I said, if price hold above $68 per share, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. First target 70, second target 73.50, but unfortunately price not held above $68 per share. That's why no entry points here. It is about technology. Look at the 5 time frame. As I said, we have to wait for the price hold below 560. Unfortunately, price not hold below 560. That's why no entry points here. Well, right now let's move on for today's ideas. Right now, in euro dollar, price stay in important level around 1.1250. That's why we have to wait how price will react on this level. I mean, if price hold below this level and from the fractal, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, our first target will be around 1.13. And the same if price with an impulsive form breakout of this level, hold below fractal, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, our first target will be around 1.1150. Another idea in the pound USD. Look at pound USD right now. In the pound USD, I expect for the price, if price with an impulsive form breakout of 1.25, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, our first target will be around 1.2450, and the second target will be around 1.24. Another idea in Aussie USD. If you look on Aussie USD right now, I expect the price get a bounce from this level. I mean, 0.69, and in this case, if price get a bounce from this level, I mean 0.69, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. First target will be around 0.68. Oil. In oil, I expect for the price form false breakout of this range between 39 and 37.50. If price form false breakout of this range, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, your first target will be around 37.50. Gold. As you can see right now, price was in impulsive from breakout of this consolidation in gold. This is a very bullish signal. That's why we have to wait pullback, fractal, and then it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. First target will be 1745 in this case. Another idea in Slack Technologies. Look at this company. These stocks held above important level around $30 per share, and right now try to hold above $32 per share. That's why I recommend you long these stocks. First target will be around $34 per share. Another idea in NKLA. In NKLA, I recommend you short these stocks. The first target will be $60 per share. The second target will be $52 per share. Well, this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.